2006 Mercedes SL500. This is how you remove the starter. So first what you do is take the covers off all these parts that you see. There were some covers here, all the way here. I'd already took them out, so that exposed the parts, the mufflers, the transmission, engine, and all the parts underneath the car. So now what you need to do is loosen the mufflers. Here you got two screws, one that you see in right there, and there's another one here, right here. You take them off, and then the second muffler is right here. You do the same. You take off the screws, and then it's then the muffler is loosened. See, now you can move them. You can now move the muffler and make yourself some room to access the starter. That is right here. This is on the passenger side. So, but before, you see right here are the two screws that you need to take off. This one and that one that is loosened. These two screws hold this starter, right? These two screws are here. One is hidden by the muffler when the muffler is now loosened, and so once the muffler is loosened, you can have access to them, and you can also have access to the starter. This part here, that is black and white. So, but also, in order to have access to this screwed out there, this one, the one that is loosened, you have to take this part out. You have to unscrew this and take it out. So you take it out. It's a hiding. It's a hiding part. That black part over there is the junction. The junction is inside the car on the passenger side. So now when you take it, when that cover is taken out, you can have that access to this screw. And then also you loosen the screw. Once both of them are taken out, you can pull out the starter. So but before you do all this, take out your battery, the car battery, the starter battery on the engine side. It's on the passenger side, passenger side, under the hood. So this is how you take you deal with a Mercedes SL 2006, and I believe it's not the only year. It might be like from 2003 or 2004 till 2008, something. So there you are. It's when you don't know, when you don't know how to take it, you don't have the solution. It appears very difficult. But once you know the trick, everything goes smoothly. Okay, thank you, and have a good day. Bye bye. I'm taking this second screw out with a special socket. You see, these are special screws. This is what the socket look like right here. Look, it's an E14 socket, 1.4. So now you can see that the starter here is loosen up right here. You see, there's a gap now. It was tight in the first, and then now it's loosen up. We have it's coming out. So this is the screw here that I'm using to take it out. E14. It took me a long time to figure out how to do this. So there you go. It won't take you maybe a few hours, 30 minutes to do it. So once you loosen, first take all the cover, the underneath cover out. Second, loosen the two mufflers. Each muffler has 2 screws. The other one is over there. Loosen them so you can have a room. You see, loosen them so you can have a room to do your work right here. You see, it gives you a room to do your work. So there you go. Thank you, and have a good one. Bye bye. Now the screws are out. You can see that. You can see. They come this way. You can see the starter is loosened. It's out now. But you see this pipe here. This pipe here is blocking it, so just take this screw out, and you should be fine to take it out. Yeah. There you go. Thank you.